Say if you know me, you should know my name, my name. Said I'm over here just doing my thing today. Said that yes, I want everybody to come and stay. Said that yes, I know people got some things today. So that's why I'm saying that I want you to go stay. I'm talking about I wanna know your name. Said I wanna say your name. Oh, when I see you next to me. Oh, when it's I wanna know your name, your name. Said that I wanna see the thing that make you happy today. Said I want to know about the thing that will make you come stay. Do you want to go over there and have some fun your way? Just driving over there, some people's over here is what I say. What I say, said I wanna know your name. I'm saying I wanna know your name. When I say I'm showing love today, I said I wanna know your name, your name. Said people talk about they like to go and do a cruise. Other people wanna go to on the airplane with who? Some people wanna go skydiving and vibe around. Some other wanna just go swimming in your town. Hey, talking about I wanna know your name, know your name. Said I wanna show love today. Here today, I said I wanna know your name, know your name. 'Cause I wanna show some love to you today, today. Said sweet Ree over here and I'm saying your name today. 'Cause I wanna say some name that's over here when they come to say. Do you know I wishing you the nothing but the best today, best today. So while I'm over here and I'm doing a song my way, said I wanna know your name. Know your name, 'cause I wanna show love today, love today. Talking about I wanna know your name, know your name. 'Cause I showing love today, love today. Say everybody, yes, I'm over here for you today. Saying I know I'm over here and I want you to be happy. Said make sure you to do the things so you can have some fun, have some fun. Even if me, you could be hanging with everyone, everyone. I wanna know your name, know your name. Said I showing love today, love today. Talking about I wanna know your name, know your name. 'Cause I'm showing love today, love today. Said make sure that you're doing all the things you do for you, do for you. I wanna make sure that you over there happy too, happy too. So if you want to grind every day, just grind it out, grind it out. So yes, I'm over here today just to shout you out, shout you out. Said I wanna say your name, say your name. Got Robert again in the house when I say your name, your name. Said I wanna say your name, say your name. So thanks for showing love over here to me, here to me. I said I wanna know your name, know your name. Said I showing love today, love today. Talk about I wanna know your name, know your name. Said I showing love today.